Our path to the heavens, a winding road, yet pause for a moment. Let go of your load. Fear not the shadows that dance in your mind, for your spirit is boundless, a light so unconfined. In trials we stumble, through storms we must tread, but each step you take is a thread to be spread. Embrace the uncertainty, let courage ignite, for within you lies power, a flame burning bright. The stars may seem distant, the night may feel long, but trust in your journey, for you are so strong. With every heartbeat, with every deep breath, you rise from the ashes, defying all death. So stand tall, dear soul, let your essence take flight, for the heavens are calling, and your future is bright. In this dance of existence, let love be your guide, with a spirit so celestial, you'll never subside.